Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view like your house CCTV, I guess. So when you're not home, you can kind of check on your house, and if there are any intruders and stuff like that, you can do this. So you are just going to select this icon next to the lock button to view your house security cams. You can use the arrows to see the indoor of your house, like the bathroom, the bedroom, and other stuff. I think it has like a view of all of the like angles. So this is like the outside, this is like the main living dining area, bathroom, hallway, first bedroom, second bathroom, third bedroom, and then the last bathroom, and then the garage. So it has like security cameras everywhere. See, you can kind of see. Yeah, I'm just gonna unlock it and see what she does. You can kind of see, but yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!